Hello, everyone. This is Rajiv Puranik, IIT Startup Coach. I'm excited to introduce Chandra Tekwani, the founder and CEO of Coremobile. Chandra is a successful serial entrepreneur who turned a past personal healthcare experience into a mission. Coremobile is improving the clinical efficiencies at hospitals, which disrupts the old ways of managing patient workflows. To explain why and how, Chandra, please take over.
Thank you, Rajiv. I am Chandra Tekwani. I am the founder and CEO for Coremobile. This is my fourth startup with two successful ones before this one. I started this digital health company due to my own experience with my son going through surgeries. But the growth in the company has come in last 2 years due to the pandemic driving the adoption of digital health. At Coremobile, we provide software as a service to improve efficiency and patient outcomes. Our patented technology is deployed at 3 VA hospitals on a contract of $1 million each. We are authorized to operate at all 154 VA hospitals for us to scale to 150 million. We have completed trials at educational hospitals and we are under consideration at private hospitals. So we are scaling this 3 million revenue to 350 million. The pandemic has put pressure on healthcare providers to do more with less. This requires optimization of workflows. It requires patient education, patient engagement, because patient behavior affects efficiency and patient outcomes. And it requires virtual care and remote patient monitoring to be an integral part of care provider workflows. We offer a HIPAA and FISMA certified solution that improves efficiency and patient outcomes by 20%. Our platform integrates with existing clinical systems and customizes to existing workflows. We have a complete team of clinical and operational staff with 50 plus engineers in India while keeping our burn rate at 100,000 a month. We optimize the entire patient journey throughout the care process, before hospitalization, during hospitalization, and after hospitalization. The first thing we do is scheduling optimization for patients and staff assignments. The second is patient education, patient engagement, prep instruction compliance, and preoperative readiness checks. This is the single most impactful function which reduces cancellations, delays, and no-shows between 5% and 40%. Then during hospitalization, we provide patient and asset tracking. We enable voice-driven clinical documentation using smartwatches so that the staff can provide care to patients instead of going to the computer and doing clinical documentation. Then after discharge, we do discharge instruction compliance and automatic measurement of outcomes and reporting of quality care. We are deployed at 3 large hospitals with thousands of patients and hundreds of care providers. We got to this point after completing extensive trials at educational and federal hospitals. The trial at UCLA was done by Dr. Kaushal, who after completing the trial, invested 250,000 of his own money into Coremobile. For us, the timing is now. The timing to scale is now because the market is ready. The pandemic has pushed the care providers. It has gotten them to adopt technology and they are moving forward. The regulatory environment is very favorable because Affordable Care Act has forced the EHR providers to open interfaces so we can integrate on a two-way communication, read and write from EHR. Coremobile is ready to scale with HIPAA and FISMA certification and authority to operate for national deployment. In terms of revenues, we have a business model which has multiple revenue streams and growing percentage of revenue from 5-year contracts, which are recurring revenue streams, a portion of that which continues to increase. We have 90% plus gross margins and 40% net margins. Our investment is manageable with 7.5 million taken already. We are expecting about 500,000 from angels this quarter, and we plan to take another 14 million as growth capital this year. With that, I invite you to join our Zoom room and have a further conversation on how great this model is, how we plan to transform healthcare and take this company from 3 million to 350 million. Thank you.